In this video, I will show you how you can get Discord Nitro for free. And as you can see right here, this is the Nitro packages. The first thing we want to do is go onto our Safari or Google browser and type in breezy.coupons. When we get into Breezy coupons, you can see there's a lot of coupons, but what we really want to do is we want to search for our coupon code. So I'll just type in Discord right here, and I click on search. So as you can see, there's 330 left of these Nitro cards. And as you can see, there's a 3 month and a 12 month, and we want to scroll down to the ones that we want. We want the 12 ones, of course. We click on show gift card code. As you can see, the full code is here, so we click on unlock code to view the full code. And now it's unlocking because there's a couple things we have to do to unlock the full gift card code. And it will take us onto this page, and as you can see, we can download Family Island, Clean Fox, or Lumos VPN. And it says down here in the bottom that we have to complete 2 more free apps or offers to unlock. And after we have done this, we will get our Discord Nitro 12-month subscription coupon code for free.